2025 Dodge Ram SRT-10, the ultimate performance truck, returns. The legend is back, and it's more powerful than ever. The 2025 Dodge Ram SRT-10 revives the iconic high-performance truck with modern technology, aggressive styling, and mind-blowing horsepower. This beast is built to dominate the streets and the track, staying true to its Viper-powered legacy while embracing the latest in performance engineering. Under the hood, Dodge has packed a monstrous 8.3-liter V10 engine derived from the latest iteration of the Viper, pushing out an astonishing 750 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque. This powerplant is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering brutal acceleration with precision. The new SRT-10 can rocket from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.9 seconds, making it one of the quickest trucks ever built. With a top speed of over 160 miles per hour, this isn't just a work truck, it's a super truck. Dodge has completely reworked the chassis, incorporating an adaptive suspension system with performance-tuned dampers to provide the perfect balance between ride comfort and track-ready handling. A reinforced frame and upgraded brakes ensure that all that power stays under control, featuring 6-piston Brembo calipers gripping massive carbon ceramic rotors for maximum stopping power. The rear-wheel drive setup remains, but for the first time, an all-wheel drive option is available, giving drivers enhanced grip and control. The exterior design is nothing short of menacing. A wide body stance, aggressive aerodynamics, and functional hood scoops enhance airflow and cooling. The redesigned front fascia features a bold SRT grille with a massive lower intake, flanked by LED headlights with a signature DRL pattern. A sculpted hood with heat extractors not only adds to the aggressive look but also helps keep that monstrous V10 cool under extreme conditions. At the rear, a redesigned spoiler and quad exhaust setup announce the truck's presence with an unmistakable growl. The Ram SRT-10 sits on lightweight 22-inch forged wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, ensuring maximum traction. Inside, the cabin is a perfect blend of luxury and sportiness. Premium Alcantara and leather adorn the seats, featuring bold SRT badging and contrast stitching. A flat-bottom steering wheel with carbon fiber accents provides a firm grip, while the digital instrument cluster and 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system keep the driver informed and entertained. Dodge's Uconnect 5 system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an exclusive SRT performance app that displays real-time performance metrics like G-forces, lap times, and acceleration data. The center console is redesigned with a driver-focused layout, featuring a red engine start button and drive mode selector for customizing performance settings. Technology and safety haven't been overlooked either. The new Ram SRT-10 comes equipped with an advanced driver assistance suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. A launch control feature ensures optimal acceleration off the line, while performance traction management helps harness all that power efficiently. Dodge is offering the 2025 Ram SRT-10 in exclusive high-impact colors, including Viper Red, Midnight Black, and Competition Blue, with optional racing stripes for an even bolder look. Buyers can also opt for a limited edition track pack, which includes lightweight carbon fiber components, an even more aggressive aero kit, and a retuned suspension for ultimate handling capabilities. The 2025 Dodge Ram SRT-10 is a statement piece, proof that high-performance trucks are here to stay. With supercar-level acceleration, aggressive styling, and modern tech, it's the ultimate fusion of muscle car power and pickup truck practicality. Whether you're tearing up the drag strip or cruising the streets, this beast guarantees an adrenaline rush like no other. Dodge has once again redefined what a performance truck can be, and the SRT-10 is ready to claim its throne.